Hey guys, Cody here with Import Image Racing. If you're looking to spice up your new BRZ or 86, today we have the solution. We have an OEM, I believe this one was made by Toyota, so this is technically a TRD part. But anyways, straight from Toyota Racing Development Headquarters, we have this nice quality gas cap cover. It's going to be to each person's own interest, and we just peel the 3M tape on the back, stick it on, and boom, you got a heavier gas door that has some carbon fiber and some aluminum. This may look good depending on your build. If you have some aluminum wheels, or you have a lot of carbon fiber on your car, or maybe you have a really dark car and you want some contrast, there may be purposes, there may be uses for you. So yeah, that's the gas door. It's pretty simple, pretty straightforward, installs very easily. Your gas door is still going to function normally, even though it is a little bit heavier now. But anyways, you got this aluminum on the outside, a carbon fiber insert, you got some fake hardware here, and of course it tells you that this is where the fuel goes. But there you have it. That is your TRD gas door cover, and for your 86 or your BRZ. And you can find this at importimageracing.com if it's something you're interested in. And if you are interested in it, make sure you check it out, because we have a limited number, and I don't know if they're going to go flying off the shelves or sit there and collect dust for 10 years, but we do have a very small amount of these. So if you like them, let me know in the comments. If you hate it, let me know in the comments. Your feedback is everything to us. So should we get more of these or not? Thanks for checking out the video, guys. We'll see you in the next one.